Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jake who lived in a small village. Jake was known for his honesty and integrity. He always spoke the truth, no matter how difficult or uncomfortable it might be. One day, while walking home from school, Jake found a wallet lying on the ground. He picked it up and looked inside to find a large sum of money along with some identification cards. He knew that the wallet belonged to someone in the village, so he decided to return it to its owner. Jake went door to door, asking everyone he knew if they had lost a wallet. After several unsuccessful attempts, he finally found the owner. The man was overjoyed and grateful to have his wallet and money back. He thanked Jake and offered him a small reward, but Jake refused, saying that he was just doing what was right. Word of Jake's honesty quickly spread throughout the village, and he became known as a trustworthy and dependable young man. People came to him for advice and guidance, and he always gave them honest and thoughtful answers. Years later, Jake became a successful businessman, and his honesty and integrity continued to be his guiding principle. He became a role model for others in the community, and people looked up to him as an example of what it meant to be an honest and trustworthy person.